Municipality Stadium, ready to start the Pride Parade.
So we're so stoked to be here today. Not only are we in the parade, but afterwards we're going to go out and hang out with our friends and family, just showing support. It's going to be a great day. Let's go!
Being here for Coleg Gwent because it demonstrates what an inclusive college we are, how we're here for everybody, and it doesn't matter who you are, where you come from, how you identify or what you choose to do. You are welcome at Coleg Gwent.